If you're a hiker or in general want to turn your Galaxy Watch Ultra into a flashlight or torch, we're going to show you how to enable or disable it. Increase, decrease, and adjust the brightness, make it blink, use your flashlight to signal in the dark, and some more tips and tricks coming your way. To turn on flashlight, swipe down our watch face, swipe left, and then tap on this torch icon. Your flashlight would immediately turn on. To increase the brightness, swipe the touch bezel clockwise. To decrease, swipe it anti-clockwise. To signal someone, keep double tapping on the face until it starts blinking. To turn off your flashlight, either swipe right or press on this power button. Now, a tip for you. If you frequently use your flashlight, from Settings, scroll down and enter Buttons and Gestures. To Action, from this list, select Flashlight. And then, whenever you want to turn it on, just press on once on this crown. Your torch will turn on. Double press will increase the light a bit. And also, turn on blinking on your flashlight. Single press will turn off the flashlight again. So that's how you can use your flashlight or torch on your Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra. Thanks for watching.